karate you learned at the Y, or C, just being fat and hard to move, also known as sumo or American exceptional.
Exit dive! So you're third!
With A.
No stop! Red light, Ron! That right, Scroobaroo! And that's a dive for the right turn lane up there.
Of course. Red or white?
Hey, whatever. I'm white, but if I drink enough, I turn red.
Red light, Ron! The white truck.
My special do like a fresca.
I can do a fresca.
Water in the fresca. Very.
Red light, Ron again. Nissan driver. They are the worst.
No, I can turn it into the side. You know where you yeah, you can mix all the stuff together. So it's good to know that you're like one of those the Coke.
Right.
What's
that?
Coke machine with all the.
Yeah, that was red. Really?
Deities. I had never seen Jay Leno do stand up, but the thing about him is he never releases special. You're not gonna find him stand up with him. I never felt that. Yeah, and the thing is like.
Yeah, that's extra regret.
They didn't announce.
Why not?
Jay Leno. They
He's got some flash, and
Okay.
and then the top guy is a power forward named like Maritone.
Oh yeah, I've seen him listed in the top 10s. Yeah.
And he's like
player.
He's like half Kachuk, half Tommy Wilson.
Oh,
He's
what
like
an
a
asshole.
Big shoulders and a bad.
Fuck
attitude,
you.
And he could score. I went him in the.
Panum streeing, panum dum 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 post bend dum 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 dum. What the fuck? Really? Oh, nice cutoff. Kia, it's probably stolen. Yep, left turn regret. At least he wasn't dumb enough to go in front of the truck. So I guess there's good news in this world. No stop.
And most of those guys seem like they'd be the type that would get bitten and not tell anybody. That's what Mitch McConnell's been doing for years.
The straight only lane. Stop it.
And when he retires, you know, he's
That about me, but I love a good drug war.
I'm worried that Jesus is going to break.
Red light, Ron.
No.
Really?
I think that's where the character arc is going.
I think that's what happened
The
with
koozies, you had those emotional support beer koozies, right? And
No stop.
over there.
one of your viral videos. Yeah, that's awesome. I see that.
Red light, Ron.
And stink, and I agree with you. They don't have to be awful, but I think there's not a real push to be.
Red light, Ron.
Here's why they know there's no push race, because I don't know.
Extra regret. Another stolen Kia. Because why not?
I mean, right now, just the fact where, like, he just tweeted today, live on my social, where he was like, he's worried about it.
Really?
Because of now
Rep,
some of the
Nissan driver!
And now all of a sudden, he's walking it back.
Mentioned before the break that his breathing is so insignificant that as he's riding away with the
This cut off.
Bragdon is literally yelling after him to
Bullshit, like criminal trespass. I'm like, just fucking nuts.
No stop.
Pulled someone else's hair. Just
This is the exciting content I'm sure you came here to see. So subscribe if you want to see more clips just like that one. You'll love it, I promise.
boss villain at the end.
A bunch of roosters start Aikido throwing the tank. It rolls.
This got off.
Alright, take it from a different angle. I don't know what
I mean, Mark Messier left it at a nightclub. They had to hire a scuba team to get it out of Mario's pool.
Red light, Rod.
The past last 30 years, guys haven't parked.
No, stop. Really, dude? You're a moron. You were lane splitting between us.
This text is not about sex. Or it could be about so many other things. It could be about food. And he catalogs all these instances in the ancient world where people read the story.
You gotta honk
in
that.
Genesis 2 and 3, and they saw in this a story about food.
But maybe it was like 2006-7. I feel like the environmental movement in general
Meso left.
has changed over the course of your...
There's another thing that local governments aren't always looking at. You know, we see the headlines when
Nice cut off.
workforce housing is displaced. We don't see enough headlines.
Nice cut off.
All of the psychedelics, because psychedelics cause revolutions. They cause you to think outside the box, to challenge the mainstream. These are conspiracy narratives.
Left turn, regret.
Somebody holds what is a relatively niche.
Where'd that guy come from?
If he didn't get the proper food, his condition would get worse and worse. He was feeling very weak, and every time he tested his levels were worse.
Red light run. Tell you, turd.
Out of food and water. We hadn't seen
that last week there was a broken ankle on Whiteface Mountain. It looks like about 4 forest rangers were called at the scene.
No, stop.
It was closer to the summit than the trailhead. So and I would return back
Still
up here
red.
every once in a while during the 9 months. And when I come up here, I'd live out of my car. I needed to be up here. So even when I didn't live here, I still just made those.
That was red light run.
Came here, just lived on the floors, lived in my car, and bounced around. I hiked around 1,000 miles every year, plus a gap year. So I'm at around 5,000 miles of hiking just in.
Red light run, and that counts because it's no turn on red.
I have, 10 rounds of the 46. Where's the line there?
the line between meaningful storytelling and love.
Red light run.
How do you mean?
Dump truck.